Greetings, Vac fans. Boy, all this talk about the new V10 battery-powered Dyson that's supposed to have enough power and air watts to clean for a long time. Just thought I'd kind of have a little demonstration of what a Kirby G6 can do. So that's what it is. And let's try a little extreme edge cleaning. And I want to put some flour on top of the edge here. And why not? See what's underneath here? Nothing. Let's put some under the carpet. There we go. And just to add insult to injury, let's go ahead and put some outside of the carpet. Now I'm going to hang the nozzle over a bit here. And I'm going to do this in slow-mo. I'm going to put the machine on position 3, which is normal for this medium pile carpet. It's going to get loud here in a minute. Away we go. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope you enjoyed that. Let's see a V10 battery-powered Dyson handle that. Happy vacuuming!